What's this? What's this? They ordered that thruster pack for that Fringy vessel. Why? I told them not to order that thruster pack at all. Nobody listens to me. Nobody listens to me at all. Yep, alright. Punching up the direct line to the order officer. My son, Bill Shank. Commander Bill Shank. This is Supply of Action Air Station. Commander Bill Shank here. How can I help you? Yes, son. Don't order it at all. I've been told that the Fringies won't pay for it. No! Cancel the order now! Cancel! Oh, hi. Dad, how you doing? Hey, what's up? What's up? You want me to order the Fringy thruster pack? No, you don't want me to order. You want me to cancel it. Yeah, okay. We did order it. I'll go ahead and cancel it for you. What's the reason why you want me to cancel it? Thank you, son. I'm sorry to yell at you like that, but I don't want them to have that thruster pack unless they have 8 to 10 bars of gold pressed latinum. And they said that they didn't have it. And I know I'm getting reports that the Fringy is driving everybody nuts over there, trying to sell stuff to raise money for, gold pressed latinum to pay for that unit. As long as they don't have any gold pressed latinum to put down, they can't have that thruster pack. They gotta pay for it. That's about it. Wait a minute. There's something else going on too. We might be able to. No reason given at all. Well, gotta have a reason, Dad. Gotta have a reason to cancel this. Okay, okay. Don't yell at me. Okay, okay. It's canceled. Have a good day, Pops. Take care. Commander Bill Shank and Supply, out. Thank you, son. You have a good day at Action Air Station as well. Admiral Bullshake, out. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. But I think there's something coming up. There's something that's in the wings that I've been reading about. Aha. Let me go back and think about this and check out that report. There might be a way to skin the kitty cat with 2 prongs at the same time. Yeah.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What the heck are they doing to me? They canceled the order to my thruster pack unit. What the frack is going on? unbelievable. All they asked them to replace the thruster pack, and they give me a bunch of red tape. Really? Red tape. It's like, are you kidding me? You just can't get me a new thruster pack for my old ship? There's thousands of ships like mine around here, floating around. What's going on? I think I know who canceled the order. I think that Admiral, he canceled my order. That crazy bullshank, I think he canceled my order. I don't understand why he did that. I'm about to do a little digging here and find out how can I get that reordered.
I called Admiral Bullshank and told him that thruster pack was a piece of poop. He had to order a new one, and I told him, no, cancel the order. The Frankie has no intention to pay for it. Do not order that thruster pack. And of course, the Frankie is trying to raise money to pay for a thruster pack. But I don't want him to have this, because my employer, sci-fi moron, is telling me to do whatever possible to not get the order to go through. Cancel! Best you can. Oh man. That's kind of hard when you talk to an freaking old guy. Looks like he's, like a walking tombstone a little bit. Man, oh man. To convince Bullshank to cancel the order wasn't an easy task. But as soon as I said he had no attention paid for it, he canceled that order immediately. Chief Engineer read personal log. My friend from Axonar Station has wrote back to me and told me that there was a problem with the Fringy's thruster pack unit. Of course, they said that it's no longer repairable. It's time to replace it. Time to get a new one. And of course, the Fringy did contact Admiral Bullshit. Said not to do that. So they did order a thruster pack unit. They ordered it. And a few days later, for some odd reason, it got canceled. What the frack is going on over there? Why did they cancel that order? Well, I've got a good hunch who canceled that. I bet you old Bullshank decided to cancel that order because he don't want the Fringy to have the thruster pack unit. Hey, the Fringy's got to pay for it. Somehow, he's got to pay for it. I know that my friend told me that the Fringy is driving all the technicians nutso. Nutty. Trying to sell them this and that and this so he can make some gold pressed platinum to pay for that thruster unit. And it's like, wow, really? Oh man, he's just driving people bonkers over there. So, yeah. Alright, Bullshank, you cancel that order. It's going to drive everybody insane over there at that Axonar Station. So if I was you, I reordered that thruster pack. Get that sucker installed to get the Fringy out of there. Because you know how Fringies are. They'll get red under your fingernail and drive you nuts. So like I told my friend before, let me know what goes on over there. Crazy situation over there. Crazy situation. Oh man. Oh, I don't know. Oh man. Oh. Ship Engineer Red's personal log. Out.
Good day. I'm news reporter Zion of Galaxy News. I have a direct link to Mr. Goodness over there at Exnar Station. We're going to give him a call here in a few seconds and find out what the progress report on the Fringy trader ship is. Stand by.
Administrator's office, can I help you? I'm Mr. Goodness.
Mr. Goodness, good day to you, sir. I am Zion with the Galaxy News. Can you tell us the progress report on the Fringy trader?
What's a Ferengi? Throw me a freaking bone. I don't know what a Fringy is. What's a Ferengi? I have no idea what you're talking about. Throw me a freaking bone, you idiot.
Oh, wow. I guess Mr. Goodness don't have any updated news for us at all on the Fringy trader. Thank you, Mr. Goodness. You have a good day, sir. Well, if any more of this develops, I'll definitely let you know. Have a good day, take care, and thank you for watching Galaxy News. I'm Zion, your reporter for today. Good day. There we go. There we go. We'll never have to use this, the tricorder, ever again. I programmed myself to use any voice that I want. Any voice. I don't have to rely on that to switch back and forth. I can do it myself now. Oh, that's great. Huh. What also is great? I heard from my mechanic friend at Exnar Planet that Admiral Bolshank canceled the order. Because he knows that Father Ferengi, he don't have any gold press latinum to pay for that. He's trying down there. He is trying to make more gold press latinum. He's got to put down at least 5 bars in order for them to install that new unit. And he's barely got 1 bar, so I was told. So, I don't think he's going to get it. But, maybe some miracle, but we don't know what kind of miracle is going to come and help Father Ferengi. We have no idea. No idea at all. But it's like, wow. So, I transmitted the payment to my mechanical friend over there at Exnar Planet. Paid him handsomely. He's happy. Yeah, he is very happy. Maybe I need to get out there and sell some more stuff and get some more gold press latinum so I could buy the business from the Father Ferengi.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. They ordered that thruster pack for the Ferengi trader ship over there, and somebody, Bolshank, canceled the order. Why? Well, he thinks that they ain't going to be able to come up with the gold press latinum. That Bolshank thinks he's going to get stuck with the darn thing. Well, I've been hearing over there that the Ferengi has been driving everybody cuckoo and nuts over there because he's trying to sell
whatever he can sell to raise gold press latinum to pay for that thruster unit. Okay, let's see here. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead. We got a direct line to the order officer at Planet X and R repair station. Let's get a hold of Bill Shank and see what's going on.
Admiral Jim Shepard. Howdy, how are you? Yes, we do have an order being placed for the Fringy thruster pack unit. But unfortunately, it was canceled by my father, Admiral Bill Shank. For whatever reason, he never gave it. He just told me to cancel the order.
Commander Bill Shank, hope you're having a good day today. I see that the thruster pack for the Fringy vessel was ordered and canceled by your father. Would you please reinstate that order for me? I know that the Fringy is driving everybody over there nuts. Let's get the thruster pack in, get it installed. We'll figure out some way to get it paid, to get them off of that planet. Then everybody, well, might have peace and quiet a little bit, but we need to get him off of that planet because reports are saying he's really bugging them like crazy and trying to make much gold press latinum as possible.
Yes, Admiral. I'll reinstate the order right now. We'll do a little bang bang here and we'll get that back in order and we'll put it express to get it here as fast as can. I can tell you right now, that darn Fringy is really driving all the technicians crazy over here.
Thank you, Commander. Thank you very much for reordering that. You have a great day at Action Air Station and take care. Admiral Duke Shepard, out.
Yes, Admiral. Thank you very much. Have a good day and take care. Supply out. Commander Bill Shank, out.
Hey, I got good news. I got good news. Another admiral that read my reports decided to go ahead and reorder the thruster pack. Darn right. Thank you, Admiral Shepard, for reordering my thruster pack. As soon as I get that sucker in, he can pick anything in my ship for free, because he's going to help me out. That's a nice admiral. That bullshank? He's full of bull. He's full of bull. Oh my goodness, I've been stuck down here for a long time on Axonar Planet. Been here a long time. I wish they would give me a darn ship so I can go out and see what the galaxy looks like again. And maybe I can go sell some stuff so I can pay for the thruster pack. But just sitting around down here ain't doing me dilly squat. My, oh my, oh my. Well, I guess I'll go out and drive the maintenance guy's bunkers.
Dude, it's about damn time I got this translator to work. Our warp drive futzed out and left us stuck near this wormhole. I could really use a tow. I have coverage through all space insurance.
Do you want to play rough? Okay. Say hello to my little friend!
What happened to my voice? Stupid translator machine. I bought it from a Ferengi.
Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go!
Ah, that is better. By the way, if you do not come and get me, my people will swing by your planet and destroy it. Just saying. I am so not joking about wiping out your planet.
Captain's log supplemental. The Ferengis are having a hard time on planet Exonar. Their order got canceled for their thruster pack, and they have no idea why, and they're kind of fit to be tied over this. And what is going is Admiral Bullshank has decided to wait until the Ferengis have
Gold press latinum.
for sure, because he doesn't want to get stuck with the bill, which I can understand that. So the Ferengis are causing a lot of grief for a lot of people there, but hopefully this gets sorted out fast, and I'm sure it will. Captain Mark, commanding USS Crytek, out.
Welcome back to Galaxy News. This is your news commentator, Lincoln. Tonight we have an exclusive interview with Captain Wonderful. I am so excited to have him on this show. We're going to interview him about the Ferengi trader ship and what's going on with their thruster pack. But first, let's get a word from our sponsor.
Tonight's sponsor is the Acme Company, bringing you tomorrow's technology today. The Acme Company has just introduced the brand new compact tricorder. With this new tricorder, your environmental scans, data recording, and data analysis will be taken to the next level. So contact us to purchase yours today at BR549. Now back to our program.
Now let's bring out Captain Wonderful. Captain Wonderful, can you hear me?
Administrator's office, can I help you? I'm Mr. Goodness.
So tell us, Captain Wonderful, what's happening with the Ferengi trader ship and their thruster pack?
What's a Ferengi?
They own a ship that's in dry dock right now.
Throw me a freaking bone. I don't know what a Ferengi is.
What did you say? That wasn't Captain Wonderful? Mr. Goodness from administration. Oh, never mind. Well, that's all I have for you, everyone, tonight. Thanks for joining us, and everyone have a good evening.